Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into TQQQ. We initially released a report on our website on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. You can tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 1.84. Now let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have achieved an impressive gain of 20.91% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy 14 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.49% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This can be a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $44.68, as it may indicate a slower falling rate or even a possible trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 2.40% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between minus 32.07% and minus 0.641%. Now, let's consider the 12-month trend. It suggests a significant 83.55% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 36.62% and 130.67%. In simpler terms, the price range after a year could be anywhere between $59.96 and $101.24. Our latest update for TQQQ highlights a stronger technical forecast for the ETF price following Tuesday's trading. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 1.81%, dropping from $44.70 to $43.89. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.01%, reaching a low of $43.29 and a high of $44.16. It's worth noting that the price has shown an upward trend in 7 out of the last 10 days, with a 12.31% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the ETF, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume typically follows the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 10 million shares on the last day, with a total of 71 million shares traded, equivalent to approximately $3.14 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price stands at 6.89% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $3.25. Furthermore, it is 77.01% below the all-time high, which occurred on January 8, 2021, when the price soared to $190.88. Let's take a look at the signals identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF is showing positive signs as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable outlook for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals also supports a buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $43.04 and $37.68. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). On the other hand, there have also been some negative signals, which may have an impact on the short-term development. One such signal was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a minus 1.81% decrease so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume of trading fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence generated a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to find more signals. Today we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the ETF has support just below today's level at $37.35 and $35.70. Support levels are important because they indicate a price level where there is significant buying interest, which can help prevent further price declines. However, if the support level at $37.35 is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level at $35.70. It's important to note that TQQQ is considered to be a very high-risk ETF. This means that it has the potential for significant price swings and volatility. In fact, the ETF has been moving quite a lot recently. In the last day, it had a price range of 87 cents or 2.01% between the high and low. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 2.65%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $44.70. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be best to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $37.35. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $42.14, which represents a decrease of 3.99%. This ETF is known for its significant daily movements, which also means it carries a high level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 85, further increasing the risk involved. Furthermore, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, several short-term signals are positive. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. Based on our analysis, we have upgraded our conclusion for this ETF from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 22nd, we anticipate TQQQ to open down $0.109 and commence trading at $43.78. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.